Geeks, Tim Tibbetts with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to try and find your lost NVIDIA control panel. Typically you have it down here in the tray, but if you're anything like me, you like to keep everything here limited, so you don't have a lot of junk down here in the tray, and that's what I do. So there's a couple ways you can do this. Some of you will find it in your control panel. It's a little more difficult in Windows 10, so what I like to do, and there's reasons for this, is go to your File Explorer or Windows Explorer and scroll to your C drive, expand it to Program Files. Look for NVIDIA Corporation and the Control Panel Client folder. Open these up, and you're looking for NVC PLUI. Now, if you don't find it, you can actually search here. When you click on your main drive, you can come over here and search and type in NVC and see if you can find the executable. Double click it, and when you do, your NVIDIA control panel will pop up. Now, why I like to be here is that you can right click on it and you could copy it and then paste it, which I did here by right click paste, and you would have the shortcut on your desktop. This way you don't have to have it down here, but you can still get at it. Another way to do it would be to right click it in Windows 10 at least and pin it to start. Now that'll show up right here in just a second, and you can always access it now from here. So now you have two options. So now that you've lost it and you know where it is, you might as well set a shortcut or come here. So all you do is click on that and up she comes. Now you may be interested in restoring it back to the tray. Maybe you use it frequently. So you come here to where it says desktop, and all you got to do is click on show notification tray icon. When you do, you'll notice that it has a check mark next to it, and as you can see here, it is right here, and it's as easy to remove as that, and it's gone. So we could also, while we're here just for kicks, you can display GPU activity icon as well down here. So, you know, pretty neat. And that's about it. So that's a simple way if you lost your NVIDIA control panel and not sure where to find it. So easy to just come in here and get it out of Program Files, NVIDIA Control Panel Client. There you go. Nice, simple, easy, short, to the point. As always, click subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.